Hey guys, a quick video for you about the possible alternatives to the one of 10. Now, it's like 1 of 10 is a good niche that they like figure it out. One of those that you can actually like check out, like kind of similar is ViewStats, powered by like Mr. Beast. This is also a great one that you can like check out. Also, another one is like very well known Social Blade. Then also Exploding Topics. This is like another one that you can like also check out. Then also the Niche Prowler. This is like another one where you can like check out the YouTube tools, and you have like a lot of YouTube or like Discover, like I don't know, Discord tools, and many like tools here that you can actually see here. And then also the one from Noah Morris that he made. This is another one, that Next Level, I think it's called. Yeah. This is another one that you can also check out. I actually like paid for the tool, and it's great for finding niche sites or like niche YouTube channels. So check these out. Maybe some of it is going to help you, and I hope this video is going to provide you value, and have a great day and goodbye.